This is my unit of Queen of Audio QOA. Yes, I can see, you guys can see that this is in a Kinera box, but QOA is a sistering brand of Kinera, and they share the packaging and kind of stuff. So I believe they share the tuning too. So this is in a Kinera box. In any case, this is the QOA Margarita. This is one of the latest, yes, one of the latest EST based mid-range IEM, priced at $550. Sometimes retails at a slightly lower price too. When on sale, it is sold at $500, I would like to believe. Uh, you guys can see this is not exactly designed like Kinera, because Kinera comes in a hexagonal box, and this is QOA Margarita. There is a cable inside it too, the QOA RAM. You guys can see this kind of feels like repacked. In any case, this has two EST drivers, one BA and one DD. There is a good amount of drivers for this price. I like the EST part here. You guys can, let me show you for confirmation. You guys can see two EST, one DD, one BA. So let's open it up. Okay, so this is the cable QOA RAM. It is. I'm not exactly sure about the composition of the cable, but the cable is priced at $100, and yes, this is a modular cable. These are the switch plugs. It looks nice. It looks really good. I like how the cable looks, but I'll have to see what this sounds like. In any case, you guys can see the cores are internally braided, and they look really nice. I like the slightly longer 2-pin uh, protrusion too. So this is a good looking cable. Let's see how this sounds in another video when I will compare it with something else. Now let's have a look at the specification. Okay, so you guys can see the impedance. Yes, 61 ohm. This is slightly on the higher side. Sensitivity is reasonable, 110 dB. It is nicely sensitive, but the impedance is slightly on the higher side, which makes it good for when we use it with more powerful stuff. Let's have a look at the other stuff. This is a good looking case. This leather case looks nice. I like this kind of case, slightly tight, and that is a very good thing. A pair of tips, foam tips, I think. This cable is a bit more on the suppler side. When I look at the pricing, I'll have to say I'm okay. I'm not exactly thrilled about this cable, but it looks okay at best. Let's see what other we are getting. You guys can see the branding Margarita on the plugs, and that is a good thing. That is a very good thing. This leather case looks very good, kind of leatherish. I do not think this is pure leather. Foam tips, obviously. Let's see where the other tips are. I think I should take the upper foam out. Okay, yes, this is a very good thing. This is a tip organizer. Unlike a pouch or anything like this really is a tip organizer. You plug your tips in, and they stay in their place. This is a very good thing. I like this, but I do not think I need to use these tips, mostly because I already have this kind of tips with me, and I do not think I need to use this particular tips. In any case, this is a very good thing. I like this kind of organizing is very good. This looks fantastic too. Now moving on to the earpieces. Kinera designed some of the best looking earpieces. QOA has taken a leaf out of their book, and this to have a bit more catchy kind of design to them. That's uh, I'll have to say a bleeding ink kind of design. The earpieces are slightly on the smoky side. Black, yes, fairly black, but slightly on the smokier side. And I really asked for this gold and black color because this looks very good to me. Now, yes, the earpieces are average when it comes to size and ergonomically good too. That two pin is what I like, and the nozzle is fairly long too. Now let's have a look at the plugs. I I am going to use it with 4.4 mm. So yeah, this Velcro straps are useful for those who like to organize their cables, and I am not one of those. I wind my cables, but I do not use this Velcro strap. I kind of always forget about them. I just put it in the box. I just forget that they are there. So this is a simple push and plug kind of arrangement. Very easy. There isn't anything complicated here, and that's it. You are good to go. This is a very good thing that this Chinese companies are doing. No American company or European company are providing the user with this kind of solution. They are not, but these Chinese brands are very considerate. They are a lot more bang for their bucks. Let's see if we can see the bows. Yes, you guys can see three bows for three type of drivers here. So yes, that's it. This is the unboxing of Queen of Audio Margarita. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.